Hello everyone, welcome to Edhas Pro Training and Consulting. Today we will discuss on inventory management. As we have already started the inventory management and we have just gone through the overview of that. Today we will discuss what are the different activities we have in inventory management. So in inventory management, we have goods receipt, goods issue, physical inventory, reservation, stock transfers. So we have different activities in inventory management. So we will start with goods receipt. So what is goods receipt and when we start it? So once procurement is done, once you have created the purchase order, then it has been approved and then it has been sent to the supplier, then supplier confirmed the order and now supplier will dispatch the material or supplier will start delivery of the material. So when they will deliver the material, now we will receive it. So where will we receive? We will receive in the location. Whatever the address we had mentioned in the purchase order, now supplier will deliver the material in that particular address. So now when we will receive the material, so it can be your office or it can be your plant, it can be your manufacturing unit. So wherever it is, so whatever address you have given, based on that, the material will be delivered to you. So when we receive that material, that is called goods receipt concept. Okay. Now, in SAP, we have the standard document type for goods receipt. That is WE. Okay. Fine. Next is the movement type. So now movement type is a concept which we have in SAP MM in inventory management. And it is a 3-digit numeric key which is used for movement of stock from one location to other location. Okay. For example, these are the movement types. So if any movement type that starts with one series, means 101, 1.3, 1.5, 161. So whatever movement type we will use, and if that will start with one series, that means that is the movement type which is related to goods receipt. Okay. If any movement type which will start with 102, 201, 301, 401, or from some different series, means those will be used for some other transactions. Fine. So I will show in the system as well, so that you will get more clarity on that. And one most important thing now in inventory management, there will be two type of documents which will generate. How it will generate? Based on the movement type which we will use. Because now in inventory management onwards, we will have two type of document. One will be your material document, where we will get all the material information, like material number, what is the number of the material, okay, what is the description of that material, what is the purchase order number, right? Because if you are receiving the material with reference to purchase order, you will be getting this option. Okay. Then who is the supplier or the vendor, and the quantity. So how much quantity was there, how much you had ordered. So these information will be there as part of your material document. Okay. The next will be your accounting document. So in accounting document, basically you will be getting the accounting information. Okay. So where you will be getting the GL information, like GL means general ledger, means the financial accounting information we will be getting, and that will be the reference to the finance department. And we have this period closing concept. So period closing is a concept where every month we need to close the previous period. That means now suppose this is the current month is March. Now suppose if you want to open the new month, for example, on the 1st of April, that will be the new month which will start for us, right? So when we will start any transaction, any goods receipt activities or any inventory management activities in the month of April, we should close the period for March. That means when we will get into the month of April and whatever the goods receipt we will be doing there, system should allow for that particular month only. It should not allow the previous month. That means now suppose you have placed the order today and you have received tomorrow. That means system should allow for the month of March. This is the current month. So whenever you will place the order, and based on that, whenever you will receive that material, in that particular month only, system should allow to receive the material. It should not allow to receive the material for the previous months, for the February or the January. We have the option where we can settle this kind of situations. If sometime it may happen that you have to make some entries in the previous months to adjust the stock. So in that case, we have that option, but we don't suggest that to the clients. Okay. Now, so this is what the topics which we are going to see in the system.